hoping that since now we have got a dedicated office that deals with red tape, it will also be able, working with relevant departments, to create a proper, more healthier environment for investment to flow.
Setting this conducive environment means ensuring a more reliable supply of electricity, good infrastructure like roads, port services, and also ensuring that the red tape that the President spoke about in doing away with is something that's really done away with.
We're going to have foreign investors, and they are particularly interested in the stability of South Africa. They would also be interested in the fact that South Africa has chosen the wrong side in the war in the Ukraine. And that may well have significant consequences for investors who are interested in investing in South Africa.
The likes of Aspen and NASPA are part and parcel of this investment conferences, which are run by the state. And we know fully well that they were also funding the election campaigns of the African National Congress and the Democratic Alliance.
No investor will ever invest in a country where corruption is the order of the day.